What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you for joining us again on our channel. On this week's vlog we got this very special 1968 Pontiac Firebird. This vehicle actually belongs to us and we built this vehicle from the ground up. So yeah, this one's quite interesting. So let's get started. Let's start from the beginning, a little history lesson here. This car we actually found and purchased in 2013. It's been a build in progress for the past 11 years. We actually found this car in Johannesburg. My father and I took a drive down to Johannesburg, purchased the car and brought it back to Nelspruit. Yeah, this car, a lot of time, effort and money went into this car. It looked nothing like what it looks like today, and yeah, everything on this car is custom, all metal work, all fabrication, so forth, as you can see. So let's start first of all with the paintwork. The paintwork is a custom pearl blue metallic that we mixed here in-house, and as you can see, it's quite a flawless color and it suits the car excellently. When it comes, next point would be, or next topic I could rather say, would be this bonnet. At the time we couldn't get our hands on Pontiac Firebird 400 bonnet, and we just decided we'll make our own. So we incorporated these hood vents into this bonnet, and yeah, it looks quite cool if you look at it. And yeah, let's get moving. When we get down to the drivetrain of this vehicle, we've actually went a bit major here, and we no longer run a carburetor system on this car. We have converted this car to fuel injection, and yeah, it's now running just as good as your modern day cars. Braking system has been upgraded from drum brakes in front to disc brakes in front. We've actually got BMW E90 330D brakes in front, and yeah, over at the back we're running stock brakes, which are drums, and stock diff as well. The car originally was a 4-speed manual. It is now a 4-speed automatic, and yeah, a lot of work has went into converting this car from a manual to an automatic. Wheels and tire setup on this car. Wheel setup, we're running 3-piece LS work wheel, which was actually sourced locally, and yeah, it was a narrow and wide setup, and definitely a unique wheel to fit on this car. It's a chrome finish, and yeah, definitely one of the best brands out there. So let's jump into this car and let me show you guys the interior. Come have a look at this. So we had this interior completely retrimmed in apple leather. The seats we sourced from a Mark III Toyota Supra. The rear seats are from a Jeep Cherokee SRT. The rear seat configuration is actually an interesting one. We've done away with the bench seats at the back and we incorporated 2 individual seats which give you a bucket seat setup. When it comes to the sound system in this car, we are the type of people to go big or go home. So if you take a look here in the boot, we've got 2 Targa 15-inch subwoofers with a Targa monoblock running the subwoofers. All in-car speakers are powered by Alpine, and yeah, we've got a coaxial system up front and a set of coaxials in the rear as well. So guys, that's a wrap up on this one. We hope you enjoyed our Pontiac Firebird. A lot of time and effort has gone into this. It's our labor of love, and it's actually a lot of support from our family and our team here at PN Tuning. Yeah, there's a lot going on this car, but yeah, we got to cut it off somewhere. You guys know the deal. Please subscribe, like, follow, share our videos. Follow us on all our social media platforms as well for some exclusive content that doesn't make it onto YouTube as yet. And yeah, stay blessed and keep hustling.